How to install a hard drive on your NVR. Make sure that your recorder is off and the power adapter is disconnected. Get a Phillips head screwdriver and a security hard driver. Step 1. Remove the case by removing the screws on the side and back of the NVR. NVR only support 3.5-inch hard drives up to 10 TB per slot. Step 2. Screw the hard drive to the NVR's case hard drive tray. Step 3. Connect the power and SATA cables to the NVR and hard drive. Step 4. Put the NVR case back on. Step 5. Power on your NVR and go to the path of main menu, Storage, HDD Manger to make sure the status is normal. Please format the HDD drive if the status is error.